Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Ckenna and this is Ckenna's channel where I discuss about business ideas and online business that you can start. But today we are going to discuss about how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos using your phone. So I'm going to show you the process of how I use this app to remove the background from existing pictures. Then I'm going to show you how I use Canva to make my thumbnails. Then after that, I'm going to show you how I upload my thumbnails to my YouTube videos. So here you're going to use the background remover. You're going to select a picture. Then I'm going to get rid of excess space. I'm going to crop it to my desired size. After cropping, as you can see down at the menu bar, you can zoom your picture. You can repair if you have done a mistake. There's the manual, that's the small dot. And then there is the magic, which gets rid of excess space. Then after you're done with the picture, you smoothen the edges. Then later you save. For Canva, I'll be using existing template. I'll get rid of the unwanted words, boxes, and images that I do not want to use. Then I'll go ahead and select my preferred image. Then I'll resize it to my preferred size. Then I'll use the filter feature. I think the image is too dark, so I'll use a brighter filter. Then I'll resize the boxes and delete the words that I don't want and add the topic of the video. Resize it to fit inside the pink box. And also resize the image, the Photoshop image. Then I'll later save it. Now let's go to the final stage, adding a thumbnail to your existing YouTube video. First, you're going to go to the video section, select your video, and use the pencil feature to assist you in editing. Select your preferred thumbnail, then add. Save and refresh. And see your results. It's already added. As you can see, I've been using the same template for the last 1 month. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. So if you want to start a YouTube video, please, nothing can stop you. Just start. It's never too late to start a business. It's never too late to start a YouTube channel. See you in the next one.